This lesson is all about metacognition. And metacognition is learning about, well, learning. It's thinking about, you guessed it, thinking. So I like to focus on the cog part of the word metacognition. And I like to imagine I have cogs going around in my brain when I'm learning something. So why is metacognition important? Well, metacognition is important because when we study metacognition, we become better learners. That can make us better at all subjects, so maths, history, or maybe something from outside of school as well. A few things you might learn if you study metacognition are the best learning strategies for you, what to do when you get stuck, and how to reflect on your learning.